The financial report of a company is not completely calculated by its sales or revenue, expenses, and initial earnings. Its wealth is also determined by using cost of assets such as buildings, land, vehicles, and equipment. So word asset is related to company buildings, land, vehicles, and equipment. These assets are not used for sale, but company only use these assets. For example, company has an asset with its original value $500,000 and the value of this asset is depreciated to $100,000 after 10 years of use. Now I calculate depreciation values of an assets by using various depreciation financial formulas and functions of Microsoft Excel. First I calculate straight line depreciation value of an asset by using straight line function. Straight line function calculates the losses value of an asset by a constant amount each year until it reaches the salvage value at the end of its useful life. Active cell reference D3. Suppose company has an asset with initial cost of $500,000. Active cell reference D4. Type salvage value of assets. Suppose salvage value of asset is $100,000. What is mean by salvage value? The value of assets at the end of its useful life is called salvage value. Suppose value of company assets after the 10 years depreciated to $100,000. This is the projected salvage value of assets. Life is the value of periods after which the asset will be depreciated. In this case, the life of asset is 10 years. Type 10. Press enter key. The value of life of asset is expressed in terms of years. Now I calculate yearly depreciation of company assets by using straight line depreciation function. Active cell reference C9. Click financial arrow button. Scroll down. Click SLN function.